Hello people, welcome back to this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can transfer your project from mobile phone to personal computer. You just need to open your CapCut right away and just take a look on this me or profile. Make sure you remember your account here and you remember the passcode and the username that you used to log in for this account. And then you just need to go back. Now you just need to upload the project that you want to transfer by. Go click this three small dot and upload to space. So basically the space here is the feature of the CapCut to save your project out of the application. So it will be saved in the form of account or like a cloud things. So whenever you delete this project from your application, that will be still safe. And now whenever it's perfectly open, it's perfectly uploaded, you just need to visit your library. You just need to open your personal computer and log it into the CapCut application with the same account, and you're done. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it. Let's meet again in the other tutorial.